Hi there. Today I'll be showing you how to turn this ugly thrifted vase into this aesthetic early toned terracotta vases. We'll start by dusting off these old vases with some tissue paper so that the paint properly sticks to the vases. Now I'll be taking some acrylic orange paint. Now to that orange paint, I'll be adding some acrylic red and some acrylic brown to give that proper terracotta color. This is such a fun and a satisfying activity to do, so make sure you put on some music and sit outside and really enjoy it. Now, after I'm done, I'll be leaving it outside for it to dry properly. And there you go, our beautiful vases are ready. And this whole project, it costed me around 100 rupees, including the vases and paint. This is such a simple DIY, and these textures on the vases, they just elevate any living room. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. Do tag me, share this video, like this video, and have the best day ahead.